Alright, so here it is, my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $256.34 with the goods. It's all said and done. I had an overage money maker of $22.35. And as always, that total includes the tax, so we gotta keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. It's for the week of September 1st to September 6th, or August 31st to September 5th if you live up north out of the state of Florida. I'll be doing this every week on the first day of the sale. Today's Thursday, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do them the rest of the week. They won't be, some of these deals won't be around forever. So also, please, I'm trying to build my channel. Hit the like button if you like this video. There's a lot of good deals in here, man. I really went all out. I did some more practical deals for you guys because I'm always having overages, and kind of knew I was gonna have an overage, so I did some more. Not the best deal on paper, but maybe you guys like the item and want to get it. So let's get right into, oh gosh, I think I got 29 or so different items. Good deals here. Get right into it. All right, airwick, start with those. Not a much deal. I think it's September 3rd it expires this coupon, and they are regular price $1.99, so for two of them are $4.28. You use from the Smart Source August 21st, there's a completely free one, limited to, so you're allowed to use two of those. So you use two of those, and then there's a Publix digital coupon for $3 off of any airwicks, and it came off, so you gotta love that. As I said, my tip, always have all your Publix digital coupons clipped. I always do. Have them all clipped, all my Ibotta rebates are selected. And that way you won't miss out, because I wasn't expecting that to come off, and it came off, so I was excited about that. Let's see if I can see it on here somewhere. There it is, DC. There it came off. So that took $3 off. Ibotta had also same kind of thing, $1.50 off airwick, so another $3 off came at that was $5.70 overage right there for those two guys. Challenge butter, so this is regular price $3.99 each, so $7.98. They're 2 for $5 still, and there's a Publix digital coupon that takes $3 off, and Ibotta has 50 cents off each one, making them only $1 a min. These are good. Just use some crackers on there and everything, you're good to go. Success rice, wow, where is it, with quinoa. So you get the boiling bag quinoa tricolor. It's regular price $2.89, and there is a Publix digital coupon for 75 cents off, and there is also, so yeah, the quinoa success rice Publix digital coupon for 75 cents off. Fetch has 1,500 fetch points to you, so that made it to 64 cents for that, so it's a good deal. Splenda diabetic shake hiding over there, $9.99, on sale for $6.99. There's a $4 off manufacturer coupon from the Save 821. I don't have it on the table. That took $4 off, making that only $2.99. Some of these deals I did before in my other video on the extra savings book, so check that video out. And I did them again, did a lot of them again here. So this was another one I did, the Alka-Seltzer kids. So these are regular price for these guys are $4.49 each, comes to $17.96, but they are on clearance. When they clearance stuff, they basically half it, so basically BOGO. So they came to, for 4 of them, came to $8.96, and there is, I used 4 of these $2 off from the extra savings books, and then from the Smart Source, there's the coupon, so I didn't have it in my other video, but this one is $1.50 off manufacturer coupon. Smart Source 8.8. I used 4 of those, so that took $6 off. And you can also use the printable one if you can't find it. It's under there. It takes $1 off. So I got the links as always and a detailed breakdown below to print these coupons. But as I mentioned, Alka-Seltzer, these were $8.96. Find them in the clearance. They're actually not on the clearance shelf. They're right with the regular stuff, regular Alka-Seltzer. And I get $8 back from that, $6 back from that, making that a $5.06 overage for every 4 you buy. There's a limit of 4 on there. Excedrine Migraine, same kind of thing. $5.99. These went way up in price. So $5.99. There's extra savings book coupon for $2 off. There's also a Publix digital coupon for $2 off. So you use both of those. Comes to $1.99. There's also a coupons.com rebate, so press your luck if you want to get that. Maybe $1.50 more. It will only cost you 49 cents. So you can do that. I redeemed mine already. So Advil Infant, these are $5.39. Same kind of thing. You got $2 off from the extra savings book. You got $2 digital coupon, making that only $1.39 for that guy. All right, so delicious. Right there, they're $1.91. Get that $1 off coupon when it's your birthday. So I had that. I talked about it in the other video I did. And then 50-cent Ibotta rebate on that. Also had any item of Ibotta. Made that only 16 cents. All right, keep going. Light and Fit. Find these guys. These are free. Publix digital coupon for a free one. So pick that up. Put your phone number in. They're $1.50. $1.50 comes off. Totally free. So you can't beat that. All right, keep going. Where are we at? UTech U by Kotex liners. These are, I got a lot before. There's only 2 left, so I definitely grabbed them. $1.29 times 2, $2.58. I used this coupon for $4 off of 2, making them a overage of $1.42. Now, I wanted to get some of more of these because there's a lot of them there. They're regular price $3.79. They're on sale for $2.79, and you can use this. I was able to print $1.30 off of 2 when I put it in incognito. No, I had it was a pain in the butt, but I got $1.30 off of 2. So you're gonna have pretty much a money maker on those, or pay pretty much nothing. Hopefully, I'll put you those in my next video. They did not carry them at my store, but they had a lot of stuff. Centrum Silver, right there. Oh, I don't have the coupon for that one either, but from the extra saving books, there's a $4 off coupon. There's also a Publix digital coupon for $2 off, and there's an Ibotta rebate for $3 off, so $9.59 for this thing. $4 from the Publix coupon, $3 from the Ibotta rebate, $2 from the Publix digital coupon, making that only 59 cents. And once again, these helped me build up to, I had a coupon, and I showed it in my other video, as a Sprouts competitor coupon that took 75 cents, $10 off a $75 purchase, and I did this in 2 transactions, so I was able to get $20 off my total purchase. So that definitely helped. I have it in my video of how I got the coupon, so it was kind of funny, but so check that video out. I got a link to it at the end of this video. All right, where are we at after the Centrum? We go to the Tena pads. Oh man, these are just regular price, $5.99. So for 6 of them, it's $38.64, and there's a manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source, August 28th. It takes $4 off, so that's $16 to the good. And then you have Checkout 51 has $4 off of every 3 you buy, so that was another $12 to the good. And then there's a $10 rebate, so that made a $7.36 overage. Now, once you do it on Checkout 51, you can do it a limit of 5 times. So I used 3 times here, and I did this last week as well. So you'll still have 2 left. So what you can do is buy 4 of those, and buy 2 of these. These are the 60 count Band-Aid, and you want to use your $3 off and your $2 off, or the 75-cent off if they don't take that one. And this also qualifies for that $10 off rebate, getting 4 of these and 2 of these if you need some Band-Aids. So that'll put you over the $30 threshold. So that'll also be a big moneymaker, at least a $5 moneymaker on those if you want to do it that way. All right, Band-Aid gauze, let me get into that. So these are $2.14, regular price for 2 of them, $4.28, or they might be $2.12, whatever. But $3 off from the extra saving books. There is this one, it scans, and it's $2 off any Johnson's products, so they might give you a hard time on that because it's not the pictured product. But there's also 75 cents off. You can use that one. But if you're able to use the 3 and the 2, you're going to have a 72-cent overage. All right, always discreet. Did this deal before. I did it again. It's for both of them, regular price $5.99, so $12.88 when you factor the tax. Use that $5 off from the August P&G. And then at the end, put in your digital coupon. Another 5 come on. I can't promise, but it does for me. Put that $5 digital coupon comes off when you put in your Publix digital, and then submit to Stocking Spree, $2.40 off, making that only 48 cents for both of these. Now, I know I speak fast. I got the breakdown below. And if you want to print the breakdown, just leave a comment and I will email you it, and you can just print it off. Because I'm not sure if you can print it from this YouTube channel. But if you like, just leave a comment. Hey, can you send me a printable version? I'll have no problem doing that. All right, keep going here. Let's see. All right, Mederma. So I got two of these actually. So $19.99 for these is the regular price, and they're on sale for $16.99. And then there is a manufacturer coupon. It expires in a day or two, so hurry up on that. For $8 off. It's from the Save August 7th. That took $8 off. There's a bottle rebate for this one for $6 off. So you're up to $14, making that only $2.99. From $19.99 to $2.99, and it helps you reach your $75 threshold, or for me it did. Same kind of thing here, $19.99 regular price, on sale for $16.99. This one has the $7 off manufacturer coupon from the Save insert of 8.7, the same one. And as well, you get $7 a bottle rebate for this one. So once again, $14 to the good, making that only $2.99 for that. All right, Suave Men body wash. All right, so for the regular price for these guys, is $2.29 with tax, $4.92. So they're BOGO this week, so you only pay for one of them, $2.29 plus tax, $2.46. And there is, from the Unilever email, they emailed me this, and I printed them all out at once, so I got that one as well. But I can tell you what email it is from. It's linked below. If you didn't sign up for, you sign up for these things, and they send you these. So this was a good one. It took $1 off of any Suave men's hair product or body wash. So perfect. I used two of those, and made those guys only 46 cents. Same kind of thing with the Suave kids shampoo. Regular price for these guys are $2.19 each, so with tax $4.71. However, if you buy two of them this week, they're on sale where you get $2 off, so that makes it $2.56 when you factor the tax. Same thing, I use two of these, any one Suave shampoo or conditioner product, making $1 off, and $1 off of those, making that only 56 cents for those two Suave kids shampoo. All right, Royal Rice. I've done these deals before. Royal Rice is $2.19. So for two of them, $4.38. However, they're on sale 3 for $5, so you pay $1.67 for them. So I bought two of them this time. There's a limit of 5 on the Ibotta, so you buy two of them for $3.28. And as I said, $1 Ibotta rebate 2 times. Took $2 off, making those only $1.28 for those. As you can see, I'm doing some more realistic deals, except for this one, of course. Nature's Bounty. These are on clearance for $7.49. Regular price for these guys are $14.99 each, $29.98, and they're in clearance everywhere at Publix. All the Publix, they can't give these away. You know, the COVID happened. Everybody wants this immune stuff. They overproduced it. Now they're eating it. It's because they're on clearance. So regular price $29.98. As you can see, they're $7.49 each right there. And there's an Ibotta rebate that takes $14.99 off Ibotta rebate. So that took $14.99 off. As any item, Ibotta rebate took 10 cents off. And then there is a manufacturer coupon from the Save 8.7 that takes $2.50 off Nature's Bounty, and another one for $2 off Nature's Bounty. So you hit up two of those, and then what do you know? They rang up wrong. So as you can see, Publix promised me, and they gave me, regular price $14.99. They gave one for free, and the next one for the sale price of $7.99. And of course, Ibotta and the coupons were still valid, made those two guys a $12.10 overage. So yeah, sometimes you get lucky, but you know what you're doing, and things like that can happen. All right, Tate's cookies, $1.25. Ibotta has $1 off. As I said, all my Ibotta rebates are selected, so that one comes off automatically. It might be for the biggest size, but it came off. Kellogg's Rice Krispie Treats. Hey, I told you, got some more practical deals here. So these are regular price, $3.35. So for two of them, you're looking at $6.70. However, they're BOGO, so you get two of them for $3.35 from the Kellogg's Family Rewards website. I got the link for that. Takes $1 off. Link to that below takes $1 off. You print that coupon, takes $1 off, making them only $2.35 for both of them. And that, as always, helps me build up to my 75. So I got my extra 10 off. A1 steak sauce. Oh, man, this deal is probably the worst deal I've ever done in my life. No, since I've been couponing here for 2 years. So $6.29 for these. When you're eating steak, your steak sauces, your condiments are expensive. $6.29. So for two of them, $12.58 right there for those condiments right there. $12.58 for the A1 steak sauce. They're BOGO this week. So, hey, when they're BOGO and you got a coupon, you're going to win. So, you know, rule of thumb there. So BOGO, they're $6.29 for both of them. From the manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source August 28th is $1 off. So I used two of those, making them only $4.29 for both of those. Wow. But hey, you know, like I said, you could do some more practical deals. And I got another one here. So Texas Pete hot sauce, regular price for these guys are $2.79 each for two of them, $5.58. And they're on sale a little bit, 40 cents off, so they're $2.39 each times. So yeah, as I mentioned, they're 40 cents off of each one, so they come to $2.39 each. So for both of them, $4.78. You got the manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source August 21st, took $1 off. Checkout 51 also has $1 off, so you stack those together, costing only $2.78 for both of those. All right, Shaka tea. So the Shaka tea is $1.66. No, sorry, regular price for Shaka tea is $2.49 plus tax, $2.68. And then it's on sale for 3 for $5, so $1.66 plus tax comes to $1.78. Publix digital coupon takes $1 off, making that guy only 78 cents. All right, this is a good one here. The BioSteel sports drink. This is regular price for this guys are $2 each. So as you see, I got 4 of them. So, and there's also tax, so that cost $8.60, the regular price. However, they're BOGO this week, so you're looking at $2, and you only pay for 2 of them, $4.30. Ibotta has $1 off a Ibotta rebate, and as I said before, have all your Ibotta rebates selected because crazy things happen. So it took $1 off 3 times, and it took $3 off for one of them. So I got $6 to the good, making that $1.70 overage for those 4 sports drinks. All right, Rosarita beans are regular price $1.79. They're on sale for $1.25. There's a Publix digital coupon that takes $1 off, making that only 25 cents for those. And of course, finish it up with the Sargento cheese, regular price $4.99. So for 2 of them is $9.98. However, they are BOGO, so you get both of them for $4.49. Publix digital coupon takes $1.50 off of 2, so that makes only $3.49 for both of those. And once again, I was working up to $75. Did this over? This was 2 transactions, so I did get $20 off, and I used all my $10 off 75 coupons. It expires on the 3rd, so I could hopefully I can get 2 more. But once again, $265.34 worth of goods, and all said and done, I had an overage moneymaker of $22.35. Once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right there. Check out my other videos right here, like the one I did a couple days ago on the extra savings book that came out on Saturday. And everybody enjoy their couponing this week.